guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply video animations to your text on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word paper. Well, you can type in anything you want basically, but I'm just going to do that. I'm also going to change the color so it's more visible, I guess, like that. And then here, for instance, I want to add in like an animation, but I only have the text animations available here. Oops, I meant on this one, like this. I want to add in video animation, so I'm just going to basically right click on the text and then select create compound clip, and it's going to create this compound clip, and it's going to turn this text into like a video sort of. And then here's where you can add in the animations. Then you have a lot of options that you can choose from, like this one and that one, etc. But that is basically it, really. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!